Boom! What's going on, everyone? Today, I want to talk about the AMT model kit of a Peterbilt 352 COE for Coca-Cola. Before talking about the model kit, I thought it would be interesting to go a little deeper into the mysterious world of model manufacturing and manufacturing in general. But first, a word about mold sharing, purchasing, and mold leasing. Almost from the beginning, model manufacturers have acquired molds by acquiring other manufacturers through mergers or outright purchase. The molds came with the company. Using AMT as an example, AMT started as an independent company in 1948. AMT started SMP, Specialty Marketing Products, in 1956. AMT was bought by Matchbox in 1979. AMT was bought by Ertl in 1982. AMT was bought by Racing Champions in 1999. AMT was leased by Round 2 in 2008. AMT was bought by Tomy in 2011. And finally, AMT was bought by Round 2 in 2012. My point is, each ownership of AMT used the previous owner's molds to make their brand name models in their desired scale. They made their own artwork for their boxes, with one exception. Round 2 is using the old, original, hand-drawn artwork to package their AMT plastic models wherever they can. Itagliari Model Company, like all model companies, loaned, leased, or sold molds. Apparently, AMT acquired or leased the Itagliari 1/24th scale model of the FLC Freightliner tractor, and AMT, under Round 2's ownership, used it to make their plastic model kit of the Freightliner. Point being, all model manufacturers buy, sell, or lease their molds to each other. That's why we find similarities between models of the same subject by several different manufacturers. I could go on and carry this further. Many other products are made by one manufacturer, but in different companies' packaging. Take Procter & Gamble, for instance. They make hundreds of different products for different retailers. Some of the exact product contents can be found in different packages. Cake mixes, for example. I wouldn't be surprised if model manufacturers didn't do the same thing. No longer is a brand name model like AMT being made in an exclusive AMT factory. In fact, Revell models started by being made by a contract company. It wasn't until the model was made and boxed did it have the Revell name. Now, let's get back to the AMT Pete 352 plastic model kit. And this is the AMT Peterbilt 352 Pacemaker cabover tractor with sleeper, the 86-inch sleeper. It is a 1/25th scale, and it comes in this custom Coca-Cola packaging. It is shrink wrapped, and it has beautiful, beautiful Coca-Cola graphics all around it. And here you can see this to the side. It's AMT, and it has its item number right there. And its AMT's item number is 1090. We got a close-up view here on the side corner, and you can see that beautiful, beautiful truck. It's going to make a great model to sit on your collection. Paint this thing red with the white and then the Coca-Cola graphics. This will be great pulling one of the AMT 25th scale Coca-Cola trailers they also offer. Now, you can see this cab does tilt, so you can see the detailed Detroit diesel engine that you build and put under the cab for power. It's got great graphics, great details. It also has the 157-inch wheelbase. And here you can see the chassis and the drivetrain here. engine, radiator, suspension system, front and rear differentials. It has all the details you need. Fifth wheel plate, so you can haul any of their AMT trailers with this truck. Now here, this is an artist drawing of the interior. Now, you can tell it is a drawing just by looking at it as opposed to an actual photograph. But that is similar to what your truck will look like when you finish building it, and that beautiful interior is in the kit. Here's the back. You can see a complete overview of all of the different part sprues right here. It covers every part that you need in this thing, including the great full color decal sheet. Now the truck and all of that is molded in white, and you'll have to paint it. But here we go. Now you can start seeing the parts, and they've been reduced in size so that you can see them all on one place. This is different parts of the truck. Also, you'll find it has a full piece that makes up the cab and then a full piece for the interior tub. Over here you can see steering wheel, parts of fuel tanks, other parts of the interior. The visor is right there. Right here, this is the frame rails for the piece and some components that go to tilting the cab. Really, really nice detail. This is all the chrome parts that are on the sprue. They chrome plated the fifth wheel, the bumper, deck plates, air tanks, grill, and a few other parts like your air horns. All the chrome parts are in this sprue. Up here you can see it has the two mud flaps, and they have Peterbilt branded decals for them. This other piece, what it's showing off is the air intake system and all the parts that make it up. Down here, you have the gear shift, front suspension parts, and a few other interior parts. This is making everything there. Now, all of these parts are molded in white, unless they're chrome, clear, or red. Like here is your clear parts, your windshield's over here, and the little lights, headlights and stuff, and then over on the other side are transparent red parts, your brake lights. Down here, all more chrome parts. It has your wheels for all of your axles, and it has a few other parts. Chrome fan for your engine. Up here, this is the sprue for the engine components, and it has all the parts to build that Detroit power that goes under the cab. Right here, what you're seeing is the differential sprue. It has all the parts that make up the rear differentials and the brake system, so that your truck can stop. Of course, it doesn't work, but it looks really cool when they're done. And over here, we have the radiator components, hoses and things for it. Also, you have your black vinyl tires. They're a soft rubber vinyl material, and they look really sharp, and there's enough for this truck. 8 go on the tandems, and then 2 on the front. And finally, the full color decal sheet. Look at all those beautiful Coca-Cola graphics. You can put different colors. You can use red if you want to do this truck as white. You can use white if you want to paint this truck red. You've also got several different license plates to choose from. They did an amazing job on this kit, and I guarantee you, you need one of these for your beautiful model collection. All of you model builders out there, model kits are a great way to pass time. They're also a great way to show off your skills to all your friends. How many of you are model kit builders? Drop your favorite build down in the comments below. Get one of these great model kits with the link down below. Production runs are not huge with these reproductions, so they will sell out. And once they are gone, the link will disappear. I've got another great free resource for you as well. It will help you make sure the items that you add to your collection fit with the different scales made. Grab it with the link down below. Thanks for watching, everyone. Please go on and smash that like button, subscribe, and share this video. I'm Logan, the 64th Gear Jammer Skeele, and I'll be back soon with another episode of Toy Talk.